Hi, Jared Carmen from the Evia Group, and welcome to the private oasis of 40 Waterfall Gully Road in Arthur's Seat. This stunning 5-acre property has a garden to die for. Fantastic home and an upside that I'll explain later. So let's go and explore. An original home of 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with a main bedroom featuring a walk-in robe and an ensuite bathroom. The home is complete with split system heating and cooling, kunara and open fireplaces. This is the great upside I mentioned earlier. You can run your own business, your own catering company from home with permit to run a commercial kitchen. It's awesome. At the rear of the home is a large open sunroom, just perfect for looking out to the beautiful garden. Outside is a gorgeous rotunda with bay views. With tons of room for shedding, you can keep chooks, This stunning property is like a nature reserve. As you can see, the garden is gorgeous. You could have chooks, peacocks, rosellas. There's even kangaroos that come onto the property. So if you'd like to book an inspection and you'd love to see it in person, please give me a call anytime.